Okay, I'm inside the uh, Microsoft spreadsheet, Excel, all right, and basically I have just some numbers here. These are just pure numbers. All right. I have used a switch function over here, okay, which I will explain in a while. So what I have done over here is if these two value are the same, it will actually create the word match. But if they are not the same, then of course they'll put not match. Right? And if you look at the switch function, which is over here, the first part of the switch function, right, is actually the expression, right, which is basically the logic. Right? Then you have the second and third part. So the first part is when this expression is met. So what do you do? Right? So what should the value be? Okay. And if it is not matched, right, then what is the subsequent value? See, so if this is true, right, then do match. Otherwise, which is the default value, right, is the default value. And this actually makes it very useful, especially when you are going through a long list. Okay, manually going through a long list to find some data is a bit tough. Right? So this can actually identify the list, okay, and highlight it in a way, right, that helps you work faster.